Have you ever found yourself staring at your Ooma, wondering why it's not working as it used to? Maybe it's frozen, or perhaps you're just looking for a fresh start. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Ooma resets. Ooma, for those who are new to it, is a popular VoIP device that can replace your traditional landline. It offers a variety of features like call blocking, voicemail, and even video calling. But sometimes, things go awry. Maybe you've installed a new update, or perhaps your Ooma has just been acting up. Whatever the reason, a reset might be the solution. Step-by-step guide. 1. Locate the reset button. The first thing you'll need to do is find the reset button on your Ooma device. This is usually a small, inconspicuous button on the back or underside of the device. Refer to your Ooma manual if you're unsure. 2. Power off your Ooma. Before you proceed, it's essential to power off your Ooma. This will ensure that the reset process is carried out safely. 3. Hold the reset button. Once your Ooma is powered off, locate the reset button and hold it down. You'll need to hold it for a specific amount of time, usually around 10 to 15 seconds. This will initiate the reset process. 4. Power on your Ooma. After holding the reset button for the required time, release it and then power your Ooma back on. 5. Wait for the reboot. Give your Ooma a few minutes to reboot. You'll know it's ready when the lights on the device stabilize. Troubleshooting tips. Check for loose connections. If your Ooma still isn't working after a reset, check to ensure that all the cables are securely connected. Verify your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can also cause issues with your Ooma. Try restarting your modem or router. Contact Ooma support. If you've tried everything and your Ooma is still not functioning, don't hesitate to reach out to Ooma customer support. They can provide more specific troubleshooting advice. Additional tips. Back up your settings. Before resetting your Ooma, consider backing up your settings, especially if you have customized your voicemail or call blocking rules. Check for firmware updates. Sometimes, a firmware update can resolve issues with your Ooma. Check the Ooma website for any available updates. Conclusion. And there you have it. Resetting your Ooma can be a simple and effective way to troubleshoot issues and get your device back up and running. Remember to always consult your Ooma manual for specific instructions, and don't hesitate to reach out to Ooma support if you need further assistance. Call to action. Have you ever faced Ooma issues? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.